Tulina His Excellence Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine alabudde abakuumaddembe abagumbye Makka ge nga n'ekyo buli kati poliisi n'amagye bikyagumbye Makka g'omukulembeze w'eggwanga naye pulezidenti agambye ekijja kijje agenda kubanga abayisaamu eggaali bannakampala era tumwerinde. Museveni alina otuwa abantu baffe. Museveni alina akola ki? Museveni alina okukola enguudo nga bwe zirina okuba. Twongera n'okujjukiza mwami Museveni nti eno Uganda yaffe byonna byali mukola abikola mu bumenyi bw'amateeka. We the National Platform with Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine tugenda kuba bwanjawulo ate tujja kukola byanjawulo ebbanga lyonna. Museveni ayinza okulowooza nti nno yasoose oba yaliwo naye twongera omujjukiza nti eno eggwanga lya bannayuganda era lijja kukyuka ebbanga lyonna bannayuganda bajalwala okulaba nga beddeza ensi yaabwe. So Museveni tasuubira nti nno alina ekyenjawulo kyagenda okukola ku bannayuganda. Omukulembeze w'eggwanga agambye alina okuva ewaka. Oba Museveni ayagala oba tayagala, kituwa amaanyi bannange, kituzaamu obuvumu era mbansuubira nti tugenda kukolera ddala nga tuli bavumu ku lwa Uganda ey'awamu ne ku lw'eggwanga lino okutambula ffenna tukolaganire wamu tulabe nga tutereeza eggwanga. Ono Museveni alimba byaliko ali mu kwesudiya, byaliko ali mu kwewaga. Twongera omujjukiza nti n'enkya tuddamu yes baganda baffe bannayuganda agali awamu ge galuma ennyama, tutambulire wamu tukolaganire wamu tweggyeko omuyeekera Yoweri Kaguta Museveni wamu n'akabinja ke. Naye nga pulezidenti waffe yeemu muwulidde bw'atukoowoola kunga Kyagulanyi kunga Uganda kunga n'enkya tuddamu nnono kunga mwanguweeko bannayuganda mwanguwe n'enkya tuddamu Uganda kunga Kyagulanyi kunga n'enkya tuddamu bannange kunga. Yes baganda bange betuyinza obagamba nti n'enkya tuddamu era pulezidenti abayise mu law. So baganda bange kamba ebigambo bya His Excellence Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine, the Ugandans hope, the people's president, ate nga abayita n'enkya tuddemu. Kulembeze byogere tweyanza mukama waffe.
And very importantly, now that we have the attention of the world, now that we know that even the delegates of the non-aligned movement are in Uganda and watching, wondering, where are we? Why are we under house arrest? I want to use this opportunity to inform you that the image that you see painted of Uganda is a fake image. The smiles that you see on the streets, they are fake smiles because the minister has ordered the people to smile. The Ugandans would be mourning. You know, Uganda is bleeding. Our people are missing. They are detained. The regime is using the military to rape and sodomize people. The roads that you see are fake. The real roads are out here where they don't allow you to see. The few Ugandans you see are the little members of the cabal that are benefiting from that conference, not the citizens of Uganda. The conference is actually being turned into a curse other than a blessing. Many Ugandans have lost their businesses. They've been displaced because the regime does not want to have the real image of Uganda. So pay attention. Do not be part of the oppression. Do not be part of the legitimization of the oppression of the people of Uganda. Uganda is bleeding. Whatever you see is a fake image painted by the regime. Thank you.
Kakuwe soko je katan mujje mun janga kabimba karasta
Wenda interview.
Kwata kati kwata.
Bazo vimba sicyo.
Ndamuta mukiga. Omanyi. Okyo ekyetabisiza mbotekayo omusana. Kiri.
Wale timu eno mjo kwa izanga neyi n'aba. Kati bajje.
Boy, kadi yange eri mugundi yo.
Baba, you are ordered to smile. The minister said you should be smiling. Officer, to see me. You're supposed to be smiling. Minister Agami Mwenye. So am I under arrest?
No problem.
It's my house. I see you parking in my gate.
Will you go back home and rest?
Am I under house arrest?
It's a preventive.
A preventive what?
Go home. Go home. Space.
Well, you don't have to talk to me, officer. Be respectful.
We are protecting you.
You're protecting me. Don't be forceful. Relax. It's my house. You don't have to cause any chaos. You are the one who allowed the journalists to come in, right? Be decent. Be decent. I'm being decent with you. Momo citizen, right? You just have to be decent. You don't have to be forceful. You don't have.
No, we're not forceful.
Yeah. But it's my house, and I think I owe an explanation. An explanation from you. I mean, you owe me an explanation. You're an officer of the law.
You go home and rest.
Am I under arrest? If you tell me I'm under arrest, I will respect it. You're a police officer. Can you see me? Are you shy to even speak to me? Naye bikuswaza byokola eh?
I'm getting out.
Afande.
I got to get out.
Afande.
Why are you
getting
letting
out?
journalists move?
So that's come out. muleke.
Yenda ku sheriff. That's all.
You that's all.
Uli awagambye sheriff mwajja kuddamu amungi ayogedde ekigambo ekyobuwemu n'agamba kasajja gw'obwo obuntu bw'ojja kuddamu mbwenyike.
Preventive what?
Go
Well, you don't have to talk to me. Be respectful.
We are protecting you.
You're protecting me. Don't be forceful. Relax. It's my house. You don't have to cause any chaos. You are the one who allowed the journalists to come in, right? Be decent. Be decent. I'm being decent with you. Yeah. Momo citizen, by the way. You just have to be decent. You don't have to be forceful. You don't have.
No, we're not forceful.
Yeah. But it's my house, and I think I owe an explanation from you. I mean, you owe me an explanation. You're an officer of the law.
You go home and rest.
Am I under arrest? If you tell me I'm under arrest, I will respect it. You're a police officer. Can you see me? Are you shy to even speak to me? Muleke. Nawe bikuswaza byokola eh?
I'm getting out.
Afande.
I got to get out.
Afande.
Why are you
getting out?
journalists move?
The sword has come out. Muleke.
Yenda ku sheriff.
You that's all.
Bobi Chagulanyi, Bobi Chagulanyi, people power, people power. Chagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine bw'atyo bw'atabukidde abasajja bano abapoliisi abadde bagumbye mu maka ge era nga abatutte tebalinnya. Oyo ye mukulembeze w'eggwanga His Excellency the Kiri President of Uganda Chagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine tamanyiirwa ewe tebazungirawo kati bambadde mu kimyeki mwabamanyi nenga embeera bwetyo bweri anti Chagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine ajja basobola ajja balumya nnyo emitwe.